I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel.
What are you looking at?
Well, nothing. I'm just looking at the welding up here. Looks like you cut something out and welded it. I was curious where this GPS antenna went, and it's for VFR. It goes in the back of the GDU 460 here. This is a video input, it says, and then this certified GPS antenna goes to the well, this one has IFR stuff, some GTN navigator. We don't have any IFR stuff. So that on airplane will go to the GEA or the GE20. Hold on, I'll find this shit. GPS 20A, so that'll go to the 28, and then it CAN buses over to this GDU 460 and the G5. And this is our backup battery, but we're not using it for avionics, we're using it for engine control, ignition source. We've got electronic ignition. Yeah. And we've got two of these guys. We have this transponder, sorry. And we have this radio, don't we? The 20.
So remember, that's the
So we have this radio. We have this. This is for your engine control, all your monitoring. Everything from the engine goes to this. And then like so it's transponder. I want to get another.
When we turn around back
one of
here,
these guys.
adding the different boxes enables
GDU 460 does not have Sirius XM built into it. You would have to buy a separate box if you have that unit. This unit, since I'm going to buy another one, the GDU 465 actually has a Sirius XM built in. So all you have to do is run a Sirius XM antenna to the back of here. The rest of it's CAN bust over from this guy.
least I got some quiet, some light performance release is good. Yes. I love kids. Come here, guys.
Chad and Dad.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it, guys.
So what was that like, meeting Mike Patey?
Like meeting myself.
Sorry about that, man. This thing is huge. It's the only one I got.
Not the red one. It's a finger.
Nice.
Thank you.
I might get to get it placed. Yeah, I told you that's working. I said, the only thing somebody said, I don't care. That sounds good to me. They worry about they think I'm dropping off. Hell, what difference does it make? Stuck up in the wing somewhere. But that's like really protected from the crop. The only thing I don't like about this, you don't check the oil because you gotta have to prove it.
Oh, I wanted for you. We follow this guy on YouTube. His name's, well, Mike or something. Anyway, MojoGrip is his.
He's got a parachute in it.
Look how he did it. See these? So whenever this comes up, it pulls apart. Well, see how these are?
Yeah.
It just,
Again, it all goes back. Everything used to be a person called Hope. Spoke about it. We all listen and follow. So thank you all for
blood, sweat, and years. That's right.
Racing all us, want to be there. See a lot of your friends and family out there. It's a great place, day or night. Non-stop action, great to see you. Mother Nature's wonders. With Lake Tahoe, camel ride, camel races, glider flying.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing today?
Good. Did you make it out to Dad and Chad?
Yes. I met you guys yesterday, or was it today?
Today, yes, sir.
Yeah.
You're the reason we got into building an airplane.
I like it.
Back to work. That's on our board.
Awesome. You want one of these?
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, buddy.
All right, take care.
Okay, hey, see you guys.
Hello, young man.
Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up,
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad?
and Chad.